Hey there, folks! Today, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and what we're hoping to see in its successor, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to hit the shelves in 2025. Now, don't get us wrong, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is undeniably one of the best smartphones out there, but there are a few areas where we think Samsung could step it up with the S25 Ultra. First off, let's talk design. While the S24 Ultra isn't exactly an eyesore, it's been a while since Samsung shook things up in the aesthetics department. We're hoping for a fresh new look with the S25 Ultra, something that really turns heads. Next up, memory. It's a bit puzzling that Samsung dialed back on the memory options with the S22 Ultra, and we're hoping to see a return to those beefier configurations with the S25 Ultra. After all, when you're shelling out big bucks for a smartphone, it's nice to know you're future-proofed. Speaking of price, the S24 Ultra comes with a hefty price tag, and we're crossing our fingers for a more competitive price point with the S25 Ultra. Sure, we understand premium pricing, but it'd be great to see Samsung strike a balance between premium features and affordability. Now let's talk S Pen. The S Pen integration with the S22 Ultra was a game changer, and we're hoping to see even more functionality packed into the S Pen with the S25 Ultra. More features, more tricks, you name it, we're here for it. Lastly, ranged photography. The switch from a 10x optical zoom to a 5x one was a bit controversial with the S24 Ultra, and we're hoping to see Samsung take things up a notch with the S25 Ultra. Bring back that 10x optical zoom, toss in some more megapixels, maybe even throw in a variable optical zoom sensor. Now that would be a game changer. So there you have it, folks. Our wish list for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. What are you hoping to see in the next generation of Samsung's flagship smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. Stay connected for future videos, and until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the wonders of technology.